Please stop it. This is GMC patty. It's going to be cooked within
4 minutes.
4 minutes. And within 4 minutes, it will be properly cooked and it'll be able to serve the customer a quality food. So guys, must wait and watch what's going on. And this is the person who is making this all. And I am the person who is making the video. You see the quality of oil? Go inside the oil. See the bubbles which are coming out from the product, fries, and GMC chicken patty. This is all about fast food. And this is all about packages. Why?